Glam cracked doll makeup tutorial. Okay, I am absolutely obsessed with this cracked doll slash glam look. Hi, I'm Shania Jolene. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe for more amazing looks. Today, I'll be showing you how I created this cracked doll glam Halloween look. Yeah. And not that anyone asked, but I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few traumatizing things that happened to me as a kid. Okay, we're going to try out this new product. I just bought this at Walmart the other day and I'm pretty excited about it. It's by Wet n Wild and it's like a little paint pot and it's supposed to glow under black light. Wow, that went on beautifully. I'm going to put the white everywhere where I want it to look like the broken doll. Kind of want it to go up into my hair too. Story number 1, the time I lost my pinky toe. Going with my Jeffree Star Luminous setting powder over this brow. I had just learned how to ride my bike and I thought I knew it all. And I apparently did not because I wrecked right into a concrete bench. It must have been adrenaline or something because I don't recall crying, but I recall putting the idea down where I kind of want it. Crawling through the grass, looking back and seeing my toe dangling. Now we're gonna do the eye look over here and the makeup look, all that good stuff. My Purlisse BB concealer. I really like to use this as a primer on my eyelid. Everything sticks to it. It's pretty great. We'll get back to the story here in just a moment. Why did I not switch my sponge? Why did I not switch my sponge? That's a good question. Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Palette. Kind of obsessed with this palette right now. And we're not gonna do anything too fancy on this side. Just a simple neutral color, soft glam look. Okay, where were we? Oh, my toe dangling. So I look back and I see it dangling off my foot and all I see is blood just everywhere, a trail in the grass. But I never cried. I was in absolute shock. My mom was at work. Everybody was panicking. I ended up going to the ER where they submerged my foot in this ice cold, beyond ice cold water. It was the worst pain ever. They ended up being able to attach my toe back and luckily save my toe. It's a great ending, but very traumatizing. It actually doesn't end there. There's kind of a twist. So right before this happened, my mom was planning a trip for us to go to Splash Zone, and as a kid, of course, I'm going to be overly elated about the idea of this. The trip was postponed until my expected recovery date. So after I went and got all the stitches taken out, I know what you're thinking, oh, you got to go to Splash Zone. No. Total twist. My sister and a family friend took me with them to the laundromat. And that's where things went south. This family friend put a towel on the floor and he started like swinging me around on the floor because it was kind of slippery, just having fun, you know. It didn't end so well. I smashed into the bottom end of a washer or dryer and it ripped my toe right back off. So we had to go back to the ER. I had to get stitches again. They reattached it and sadly, I never ended up getting to go to Splash Zone and I've never been. Okay, moving on to story number 2. Growing up, I used to cry because I wasn't a mermaid and I didn't understand why. And for that, I loved swimming. We were always at the swimming pool during the summer. But one day, I accidentally went off to the deeper end where I couldn't reach and I ended up going under the water. I remember desperately trying to climb back up the wall, but I just kept going lower and lower. I was reaching my hands up and I could just feel myself not being able to breathe and I was just starting to let go. About that time, somebody jumped into the water and saved me, and no, it was not a lifeguard. I don't know who they had hired, but they didn't save my life. It was actually my sister, and she had been sitting on the side at a table hanging out with my mom, and she was fully dressed in overalls, and she still jumped into the water for me. I don't actually remember anything after I got pulled out of the water. I just remembered what was happening while I was drowning. Story number 3. I'm gonna definitely fix this one, don't worry. I don't like how this one turned out. When I was about 12 years old, I was out playing with a friend at the local playground of our school after school hours, and this was a normal thing that we did. On this particular day, a blue heeler mix started chasing after us. My friend managed to get away, and I did not. In situations like that, you always think you're gonna know what to do, but your body sometimes doesn't react the right way, and I tried to climb a fence, and apparently I'm not a good climber, so it didn't really work out for me, and the dog got me. Alright, here goes nothing. The dog bit a huge chunk out of my knee and managed to break my left hand. The only perks to this was that I got a lot of special treatment in school. I got a nice pink cast that everybody signed. However, it was my left hand, so I didn't get an excuse to not have to do homework because I was right-handed. There's something so therapeutic about just drawing lines on your skin. The dog had to be put down so they could test it for rabies. Luckily, it didn't have rabies and didn't give me rabies, so I am still here and very much alive. Just with a few scars and so cool. A busted hand. That looks so cool. You can't tell me that does not look amazing. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I really hope that you enjoyed hearing those stories. They are 100% authentic. Am I just using an eyeliner? Yeah. Do I have watercolor? Do I have water activated stuff I could be using? Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. I'm an open book with listening ears, so if you guys have any stories for me, just leave them in the comments. If you have any questions, if there's a makeup look you want to see, let me know. Just let me know, girl. I got you, okay? Remember to follow me on my other platforms, such as TikTok and Instagram. I am getting so close to 10K on my TikTok account. I'm thinking we'll do a giveaway over there once I hit that mark. If you guys have any suggestions of what you might like to see in a giveaway, let me know. We're so close to being done with this makeup look. All I'm doing now is going over all of the black lines that I have made, and I'm thickening some, trying to make it look a little more 3D, like the porcelain is just coming through my skin. You know, I've been editing this video for about 4 hours now, and every time I keep thinking this looks so familiar to me, and it just dawned on me, girl, I'm looking like Phantom of the Opera over here. Am I not? Here I am trying to map out where I'm gonna draw this brow. Now I seldom do I ever draw my eyebrows on, so I'm not really used to this. I just mainly went with the arch of my natural brow, but like at the top of it, and this eyeliner, NYX, shout out to you, because this eyeliner did so much of the work. The fact that I have done all of the drawing on my face with this eyeliner and it's still doing so well, mind-blowing, absolutely mind-blowing, and it's a really good eyeliner, let's be honest. Good job, NYX. Now, if you're a beginner, I would strongly suggest that you use a pencil eyeliner or a lip pencil or something light to kind of sketch out an idea of where you're going to place everything before you just go in with a black liquid eyeliner. But not me. I go all in, I wing it, I make it work. That's just kind of my thing. I make it work no matter what. I will have each and every one of these products linked below in the description of this video. Here we go with the lip. Of course, it's Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lip in the shade Diva. Now, if there's anything you need to know about me, I'm always going to be using at least one Jeffree Star product in every look that I create. Is that not the cutest little heart you've ever seen? Jeffree Star lip products are literally my thing. I don't really own any other brand of lip products, period. Cruelty-free, vegan, all the works, and you can actually use his lip products on your entire face. You can use it for an eyeliner, a blush, eyeshadow, whatever you want. I am, however, really interested in trying out the liquid lip gloss that dries down by House Labs by Lady Gaga. That has me on the edge of my seat. I am dying to try that product. Honey, this is a look. Okay, if you enjoyed my stories, if you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, please hit that subscribe button and hit the little notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Love you guys. You like my lips? G thinks. Just bottom. You like my eyes? G thinks they're so creepy and blinky. I look so sad. Not really. I'm so happy because you just subscribed to me.